One of the first chores to undertake in the garden is spring cleanup. For perennials, this mainly consists of cutting back any spent stems and foliage from the previous year and cleaning away debris that might have accumulated. You can do this any time, really, but if you're a bit unsure, wait until you see new growth. That's always a good sign to begin cutting back. Simply remove old stems and foliage back to an inch or two from the plant's crown, which is where new growth emerges. A pair of pruners is all it takes, but if you want to do it faster, try a battery-powered hedge trimmer. Simply run it over the plant, remembering to stay above the crown. All disease-free foliage can be added to a compost pile to begin breaking down before it gets added back as mulch in the coming years. Spring cleanup isn't complicated, and it sets your garden up for a growing season full of healthy new growth.